World's largest army unleashed, China fires missiles as 4,000 bases prepare for combat. Terrifying pictures released by the People's Liberation Army, PLA, the world's largest army, show a series of missile tests carried out at different locations across China. The missiles are believed to be short to medium-range cruise missiles, DF-11s and DF-16s, that can travel up to 1,000 kilometers, China military monitors have said. China's military published images and footage of the missile tests on Tuesday, but did not specify when or where the launches took place. Meanwhile, at more than 4,000 military bases across the nation, thousands of PLA soldiers are taking part in realistic combat exercises on the orders of Chinese President Xi Jinping. Commander-in-Chief Jinping has ordered his army to be combat-ready amid soaring tensions between North Korea and the US. Jinping also has ambitions to take back control of Taiwan, a small island 180 kilometers east of China that has been independent since 1950, a status he refuses to accept. Jinping, chairman of the Central Military Commission, launched the annual training program on January 3, 2018. Addressing more than 7,000 troops, Jinping ordered the PLA to strengthen military training and war preparedness in a nationalistic and bellicose speech. "It's unprecedented to jointly train with aviation units on the same day of the launch. All branches of the PLA, including the ground force, Navy, Air Force, Rocket Force, Armed Police and Logistic Forces, have participated in the large-scale drills. It's unprecedented to jointly train with aviation units on the same day of the launch," said Zhu Jiqian, a tank specialist who has participated in annual training 15 times. China has the largest army in the world, with an estimated 2,183,000 active military personnel, according to the International Institute for Strategic Studies. At the 18th Communist Party Congress in October 2017, Jinping outlined his plan to forge a new era for his nation as a global socialist superpower. Taking back control of Taiwan by force or otherwise is a major part of his strategy, according to Deng Yuan, a leading political researcher, the Charter Institute think tank. Elsewhere, the unfolding nuclear crisis on the Korean peninsula has dragged China, historically an ally of North Korea's, into an uncomfortable position. U.S. President Donald Trump has implored China to sever ties with North Korea to apply pressure on its leader, Kim Jong-un. In December, Trump said he was very disappointed that China is allowing oil to go into North Korea and said such moves would prevent a friendly solution to the nuclear crisis.